Hi guys, I'm Jody Fitz from the Price Shopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. We are going to make a leprechaun tie-dye smoothie together. First, we're going to start by creating a little homemade chocolate syrup alternative. All right, so this is how we make it. We're going to take 2 teaspoons level measurement of unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of honey and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to stir it all together. It takes a little bit to bring it all together, but it will. Just keep stirring and it'll make a delicious chocolate syrup alternative. All right, now we're going to make a nice green puree. You'll be surprised, but it's going to taste great. Wait till you see how we make it. We're going to take a mini chopper, extra blender, food processor, whatever you have. I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of loosely packed baby leaf spinach, a 1/4 cup of honey, and then just a 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. Don't go over on the mint extract because it'll be way too minty when we're all done and finished. All right, guys, now we're gonna make our base. I have 3 cups of ice. This is my favorite base for any of my tie-dye smoothies. I'm gonna add in 6 ounces of a low-fat vanilla yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 banana, peel it here and get it all in, and then 1.5 cups of milk. Now we're going to blend it up. All right, guys, it's time to bring our tie-dye smoothie together. This is so fun. You're definitely going to want a clear glass. I'm going to take some of this delicious chocolate homemade syrup alternative. No high fructose corn syrup in here. I'm going to drizzle it around the edge and let it go down in the glass. All right, we've got enough chocolate drizzling down there. Now I'm gonna add some of this green puree. I know you're probably saying, ew, but trust me, when it's all done, it's going to be so yummy. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna twirl it as it's going in and around your glass. So we've got the chocolate, we've got the green, super fun. And now, I'm just gonna take off my blender and I'm gonna fill up the glass. And there you go. That is how you make a minty chocolate tie-dye smoothie. Cheers to a lot of St. Patrick's Day fun. All right, guys, stay tuned at the Price Shopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club where we have more great recipes coming your way soon.